Alrighty, y'all. I am making breakfast for dinner tonight. And I would have done it this morning. Hey, guys. I would have done it this morning, but I overslept. I was real tired. I had a late night last night. That might be why I look kind of sleepy. But you all are going to love this. It's going to be a surprise, okay? So, it is a breakfast hack. This is just part of the food I'm making. But you need a deep muffin pan, okay? So we're going to get started. Y'all just go along with me. And I promise you, you're going to want to do this. Alright? Oh, and don't forget, y'all, if you like the video, hit that like button. Share the video. And definitely comment if you have any questions or you just want to say something to me. I'll certainly respond. I really enjoy that. But anyway, welcome back, y'all, to Misty's Pleasures of Life. And we're going to get started right now, y'all. Okay? Here we go. Alright, the first thing that you want to do is you want to get some parchment paper. Was that backwards? Oh, it is, isn't it? Well, parchment paper anyway. Okay, you need to get some of that. I hadn't opened this box yet. Parchment paper is great for baking, y'all. Cookies, anything, you know, pastries. Alright. So we're going to get some of this and we're going to cut it to fit into our little muffin things. And then the surprise I'm making for you all, I'll be able to just pull it out, hopefully if it works out the way I want it to. So I'll be right back. I'm going to show you these two first. They're not going to stay down until I get what I need to get in them. So I have some Pam baking spray. So we're going to spray that. And then we are going to take a ring of pineapple. Just press it down in there. And we're going to put a ring of pineapple on this one. Y'all, these cherries are so good. They are Oregon dark sweet cherries. They're so good. So good. Alright. I'm going to get my brown sugar. I'll be right back. So you're going to use unsweetened coconut. And you're going to sprinkle a little bit of that in here. On your pineapple. Just like that. And then you're going to take some brown sugar and sprinkle on. Wondering if I should turn off my wax burner light because it looks like, no, I think it's alright. Okay, and then you're going to take some of your little cherries and you're going to put those in there. And do 4 or 5 or however many you want to do. Okay, y'all, I've done 2 more. So we are going to do the coconut and all that for them. So let's go ahead. I gotta turn my oven down over here. Let's go ahead and do our coconut. Oh wait, brown sugar first. Brown sugar first. Then our coconut. And remember, this is unsweetened coconut. And then we're going to put our cherries. One in, well, I put two in the middle. They kind of fall in there anyway. And we're going to just keep doing this, y'all. Now, the surprise. We're going to take a Pillsbury cinnamon bun, or cinnamon roll, rather. Cinnamon side down. And push down on the top of that. Just like that. Cinnamon side down. Just press down gently. Alright, y'all, now we took some of that cherry juice from the Oregon canned cherries, the dark sweet, and some pineapple juice, and half a stick of butter, and we are going to pour that directly on top. And then we are going to take a piece of parchment paper. Somebody is being weird in the background. Then we're going to take a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to lay it directly on top and just sit these aside for just a few minutes. Now when you bake them, you're going to bake them at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we are going to do the last four of these. So I've already put the brown sugar on there. So now we're going to do the coconut again.
But now you're gone and all I have is time. And
okay, for the cream cheese frosting, we are taking 1 block of cream cheese. And then I'm going to bring a stick of butter to to room temperature. And I'm just going to have to do that in the microwave. So let me bring this to room temperature. Y'all, so we're going to drop this on down in here. Lock it. And we're going to let this blend. Oh, wait. I got to turn it on first. I got to plug it in. Alright, and we're going to let this blend until it's smooth. Smooth and creamy. Now, I want mine more like a drizzle, so I'm probably going to add some milk or something to make it like that. But we shall see. Alright, y'all, now we're going to pause this for just a minute. Unlock it. I'll be able to get that off of there. Now we're going to put in 3 cups of powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. And again, since I am making this more creamy to be a drizzle, I'm going to add milk too. But we're going to also add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want